You said they weren't slippery. Oh no.
Oh, true.
I'm tipless.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
He made me get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Bastard. I'm like out here for like 20 minutes. I'm like, Thomas! Thomas! So you want me to come back for you in like 25 minutes or under the death tree?
Where the fish are.
Under the tree of death as well, just laying there, you're like, fuck it.
Now that I'm walking out like 20 meters leading over the
Yeah, bro. So, rough night. That's hilarious. You got a warm rock to curl up on for an hour or two? I don't know, bro. I don't know. You said they weren't slippery. Oh no.
Oh, true.
I'm tipless.
I thought I had a good voice.
Oh no. Oh, it wasn't my new rod, it's alright. It's the one that was already tipless.
Oh, fuck. How'd you do that? Oh, probably fucked it up.
That whole rod's done, bro. And the line broke on this one.
Oh, you did both of them?
Nah, I just broke. Oh, the eye's gone as well. No way.
What eye?
No way. Yeah, they're both fingered. Alright, so great start to the day, guys. What the hell, man? What the hell? Tipless rod, that eye has to be cut off. Alright, anyways, how you going, guys? Welcome back to another episode. Started off pretty rough. Shrunk my rods down to about 5 foot. It's all Thomas's fault. So we're back today down at this sweet little jungle, rainforest, whatever you want to call it. Nice part of the river. Running a fair bit slower than it was last time. So hopefully we can hook on today. Got cheese as always. The last 3 eyes left on my rod. Bloody hell. Not a good way to start, but if we hook some fish, it should be worth it anyway. Hopefully. Hey, yeah. Oh, we get stuck into it, guys.
In this bag, yeah. But I asked the lady, she told me it was fucking waterproof for like 4 meters or some shit. Oh, here he comes.
It's one of them days, man. Your legs aren't working. That was super slow-mo again. You're like this, just slowly eased into the water. We're here to fish, not swim, alright? That's So rough, man.
Yeah, wow. So good. I had like a really needed that swim.
Definitely wake you up, that water's cold, man. Alrighty, bro. Back at that little spot where we hooked that dinosaur last time. Give Lewis 10-15, then we'll go straight in with cheese. Try to hook that big fella. Easy, steady, steady. Easy. Yeah, it's in my hand. Yes, son. First little sooty. Pooed on me. First little sooty, guys. Yeah. Stuff, bro.
He's lazy.
Yeah, they look docile.
He's fat though. He couldn't even pull that much drag out. Like he didn't pull any out actually. Really wide. It is springtime, so Buddy is getting ready. Oh, just sitting there.
Nice one, bro.
It's a chow. A chow, guys.
Stuff. Two fish down, bro. It's a start anyway. Something. You. Okay. It's a little sooty. Catch you later. Laters. Alright, pretty slow start to the morning. We've hooked 3 fish now out of this one little pool here. Gonna keep making our way downstream. Thomas hasn't been past this corner here, so we're going to keep making our way down and see what we can find down there. Hopefully another nice big open pool like this one. Yeah, see if we can't get onto a few more fish. Some more fishies! 3 kangaroo things. See it? Oh, I just launched out of the tree, bro. Did you see it? You didn't. It was right up there. This tree kangaroo just jumped out of the tree, hit the ground and took off running. This is a good idea, I reckon. Hey? Dit, dit, dit. I don't like it. Hey? Fuck that, bro. Stop thinking negatively. Crack. Oh, we're both pinned. Like that far under the water, eh? Just can't get your nose up. It's primo, bro. Yep. Oh.
Got cheese too.
No way.
Cheese me straight up.
Get cheesed in that front one. Yeah, boy. Yeah. Laters. Now we're talking. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good one. Oh, he looks golden nearly. You got weird patterns on them, eh? Normally see them all speckly and shit. Oi, chill bud. Whoa! Easy! Oh!
See ya.
Catch ya. Yeah, boy. Another little fella. Little banger. What's up, bro? Just seen a soot swipe of that. He's under this rock right here. Yeah. Yeah, bro. Yeah, son. Nice. Knew there was one there. He swiped out at it as I dragged the cheese past that rock. Gave away your position, bro. There we go. Probably my best one of the day so far. Nice, sooty. Been in the wars. Alright, Russ. Don't tell your friends I'm here. Laters. Definitely more there. Oh! Little lad just dusted it. What's going on, bro? He's come out and jammed on it. Whoa! Steady. Whoa! Okay. Chill out, little man. Oh, easy, easy. Definitely a fair bit smaller. Little fella. What's up, bro? Alright guys, we've come about as far downstream as we're going to go today. We're going to start making our way back up. Got the cheese off, flick lures all the way back up, see if we can't land one or two more, but me and Thomas going to call it a day here. Got a good hour's walk ahead of us to get back up to the car, so we better get started. It's a bit bushy now. We'll have to cross over the river here somewhere and make our way because it's this thick jungle on each side now. All good though, we hooked, I don't know, 5, 6 fish. Got a fair bit further than we have been before, so pretty stoked. For now, we'll start making our way back. The littlest sooty ever, bro. Where were you going, boy? Steady. Chap, little bro. Nice one, bro.
There we go.
It's going spazzo, eh?
Like, oh,
oh no.
stabbed me.
Nice. Nice.
Style points.
Suck straight back down into that same water. Yee. Flicking that one, there's like 4 more behind him, man. Like a Kardashian. Hey? What is that? Look at the juby lip. Purdy lippies you got. So purdy. Laters, bro. Knocked him on the lure. I got red eyes. Nice. Nice one. Check him out. Yeah, boy. Hey, he's a good size. Or she probably. Poodle over me. Come on now. Awesome. Thomas landed about 5, 6 fish. I got about the same, 8, 10, something like that. So it ended up being a pretty good day down here. Wasn't supposed to convert my rods into jungle rods though. I said I didn't want to convert my rods into jungle rods, but it happened. First little crossing here, slipped straight up. Snap both the tips off my rods. Salty. Enjoyed hanging out. Smash the like button. If you want to see more, subscribe. Get one. saying before Thomas rudely interrupted me. I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Till next time. Pew, 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 pew.